All right, hello, Washington Eagles. It's Wednesday, May 6th. It is math time, and we are going to be multiplying larger numbers, okay? Tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, I plan on doing some division, and yeah, that's where we're at. So let's do some multiplication, okay? So here we have the old-fashioned, the lattice, and the partial quotient. Multiplication. Tomorrow we'll probably do some partial quotient division and then old-fashioned division. And yeah, we're probably just going to stick with those two for division. So let's start with our multiplication. We're going to start with our old-fashioned way. So remember, we have to start multiplying in our ones place. So I love it when zeros are part of the problem, because multiplying zeros, super easy. All right, 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And 0 times 6 is 0. I actually didn't do that on purpose. I just picked this problem because, I just liked it. Okay, so now we have to add a 0 in our ones place. Now let's multiply our tens place. So 2 times 2, remember we have to multiply all of these numbers. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10, so plus 1, and bring your 0 down. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, okay? So, we're done with that. I'll try to remember to multiply the right way this time. So now we have to add, not 1 0, but now we have to add 2 zeros. We have to add a 0 in our ones place and our tens place, okay? So now we can multiply our hundreds place. So 7 times 2 is 14, so plus 1 and bring your 4 down. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. So put your 3 there and your 6 down there. And 7 times 6, if you know 6 times 6 is 36, you should know that Mrs. Kelly's favorite fact. 6 times 6 is 36. We have to get to 6 times 7, so 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So 6 times 7 is 42, plus 3, so 42, 43, 44, 45. 45. All right. So, nice and neat. You got to keep these nice and neat. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 0 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 3, so 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we bring our 4. That's a great big old number, huh? 469,440. All right, there's the old-fashioned way. Let's do the lattice, shall we? All right, so 7 times 4. 7 times 4. 7 times 2 is 14. 1, 4. See how it looks like the 14, 1, 4. Tens place, ones place. 7 times 5 is 35. And 7 times 6, we know, is 42. 4, 2. Okay? Let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. A 0 goes in the tens place, and a 4 goes in the ones place. 2 times 5 is 10. 1, 0. And 2 times 6 is 12. 1, 2. Oh, looky there. There's our favorite thing in the whole wide world. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes. I love it. All right, so 0 plus nothing. We're not adding anything to it. Is 0. 4. Now we're going to start adding our columns, our little diagonal columns. So 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 0. And 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4. Do our numbers match? Our answers match. 469,440. Yay! All right. I was kind of partial to this, but I almost think I like the lattice a little bit more. I don't know why. It's a lot to draw, but I don't know. I just feel like I don't know. It's just, for me, easier to kind of add up these little diagonal columns. It took a while to learn that, because this is how my generation learned to multiply. And so sometimes it's hard to get to this, but I actually I like that a lot. So, all right, let's do our partial quotient. So, 6 times 7. Well, we already know 6 times 6 is 36, so 6 times 7 is 42. So remember, we're just worried about this part. 42. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 7 times 5 is 35. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 times 2 is 14. So I have to put a 4 first. 14. How many zeros? 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's add the tens place. So 6 times 2 is 12. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 times 5 is 10. How many zeros? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. How many zeros? 1. Our last one. Nothing but zeros, baby. Nothing but zeros. All right. So what are we going to do with all these numbers? We're going to add them up. Now again, if you want to break these up and add like the first 3, do it. Let's practice that. So let's do, I'm adding commas because it makes it easier. 420,000, and then 35,000, and then 1,400. Make sure that my commas don't look like ones. We don't want that to happen. All right, let's add these up. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, and then 4. Okay, so now we have 456,400. So we added that first line. So let's add the second line, okay? Again, I'm going to add commas just because it's easier to see. So that's 12,000, 12,000 plus 1,000 plus 40. That's easier for you to do. Go for it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 4. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 4 plus nothing is 4. So 469,440. Rock on, my friends. Rock on. So, we're going to do one more. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do, I'm just going to do lattice and old-fashioned, okay? If you all want to practice the partial quotient, then write this problem down and practice the partial quotient and let me know, okay? Just let me know how it goes. We're going to do one more. Old-fashioned. Okay, one more old-fashioned. Here we go. Okay, let's do 5,609. 5,609. Pardon me, times 309. 309. Okay, I don't usually mind multiplying nines because nines you can use your little finger trip, but 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, now 9 times 0 is 0, but we still are adding 8. So 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay. 9 times 6, we've already talked about our 9 times 6 is 54, so plus 5, 4 down here. So 9 times 5 is 45, plus 5 is 50. All right. Now, mark those out. You got to add a 0 into that ones place. Oh, look, 0, woohoo! 0 times 9 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Rock on. Now we're multiplying our hundreds place, so we have to add 2 zeros, okay? Let's go. So 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 2, bring your 7 down. 3 times 0 is 0, but we're still adding 2. So 0 plus 2 would be 2. Now 3 times 6 is 18. Because you know that 3 times 5 is 15. But we have to get to 6. So 15, 16, 17, 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. So plus 1. Bring your 8 up down here. And then 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. 1, 6. Now remember, y'all got to keep it nice and neat. You got to keep it all nice and neat. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 4, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So plus 1. Bring your 1 down. 2, 3. 8, that almost looks like 2 zeros. So 8 plus 5, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Plus 1, and your 3 down here. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 1 plus nothing is, holy animals, 1,733,181. Okay. Old-fashioned. There you go. Okay, so here we go. So now, and besides that, I don't know if I have enough room to do a partial quotient multiplication. All right, so for the lattice, 5. Oh, I'm going to have to make more room. Okay, so 5, 6, 0, 9. Okay, there we go. And then we have a 3, 0, and 9. Okay? Let's start making our nice, neat little boxes. Our little off to the side, whatever you want to call these. Diagonal. There we go. And then here we go. And then here we go. All right, then. Let's begin. All right, 9 times 3 is 27. It's 27. 3 times 0 is 0. Put 0 in both boxes. 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 5 is 15. All right. Oh, 0. Yes. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Rock on. Okay. Let's multiply. I guess our ones place. So 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 0 is 0. Make sure you put 0 in both boxes. 9 times 6 is 54. And 9 times 5 is 45. All right, now we're going to add up our columns, our little diagonal columns, okay? So 1 plus nothing is 1. 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have to do a plus 1 and a 1 down here. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10. 11, 12, 13. Plus 1, 3 here. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So plus 1, and 3 here. 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, 1,733,181. There you go. All right, that's our math for today. Keep practicing these larger numbers, and then go outside. We're halfway through the week, and it's our last week. It's our last full week. I'm kind of sad. So, okay. All right. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye.